Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting Arabic alphabet first part. If you want to read Arabic or understand the Quran, this is your first step. So basic info. Arabic has 28 letters and we write Arabic from right to left. Below is the given picture of all the alphabets with their pronunciation. Now we are proceeding with their pronunciation. Alif, sound A like in apple. Ba, sound B like in big. Ta, like soft T in tea. Sa is like tha. Jim, ja as in jar. Ha, that is strong H from throat. Ha, sounds kha like khan. Dal, da, zal, sounds like tha in Thai in Egypt and za in Indian. And ra as ra in risk, za as za in zone, seen as sa in sit, sheen as sha in shop. Sod is a slightly stronger S. Dod, that is used as D or sometimes DZ with soft D sound. Then ta is a hard T. Then there's another letter like za which we say like tha. In this or sometimes a hard za. N is a sound that comes from throat like a deep ah. Ghain. This sound comes from the throat, a deep sound. Fa, F like fa in the fit. Cough, Qa, a strong sound from the back of the throat. Kaf, like the K in kill. Lam, like L in long. Meme, Ma, like M in man. Noon, like N in knot. Ha, like Ha in hand. Wow, Wa or Va like war or valley. Ya, like Y in the yard. Practice slowly and focus on how your mouth and throat make each sound. Repeat this 3 to 4 times or as much as you can. Because there is a famous saying, practice make perfection.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many. 12 from the tip. Tha, the, va, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are do, ka, qa. 6 from the throat, a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha. At the end is alif.